This is the 7.75 dessert plate to match a 10.25 inch dinner plate. This is what usually for the flat plate present. So at the first presentation for my new color collections, I recommend this collection because I think the line collections is very different with the other one. You can touch it. You can have the two different feelings from these two parts, right? When you're touching it, the feelings is totally different. And this one have various colors for display for your choices. And if you want to more colors about it, I want to share with you. Yes. Yes, this one is purple, but you can touch the feelings about this. These two, the surface is totally different. This is for the glossy finish. This is for the matte finish. So these two plates is totally different. And if you don't like the feelings for this place, for the something not very smoothly, you can touch this plate. Differences.
Yeah, and I like this feeling. It's smooth.
Yes, you can see this is the glossy, but this is matte, but this one two parts is.
Yes, also the back side is also glossy.
Yes, this collection has various colors. So also have the blue one and the green one that you could choose. That is why I recommend this collection, that you have many colors combinations with this.
This color. Okay. And actually this one will be more suitable for our decoration in our restaurant.
Yes, so your restaurant style is match this color, right?
I guess so, right?
Yes, because we have some blue elements for decoration.
Yeah, and our sofa is also a little bit similar styles.
So I strongly recommend you take this collection for your restaurant.
You know, the back side is also amazing. This one
has how many sizes for this plate?
Mainly reach to 5 size. Wow. About the smallest one is 6-inch flat plate. The biggest one they mainly reach to 12-inch.
But I'm wondering if this is against the scratch proof.
Yes, because it's the centers of this plate is the glossy finish. So I could do the testing when the knife and fork resistant, and fork resistant here.
Wow.
That means this plate is not just only one use for your restaurant, because I know that the customer is not like something like scratch thing. This plate is very dirty, so it's just one use. It's not very durable for your restaurant.
We can imagine if our food on this kind of plate.
We usually will make some steak.